All right, here we are back on John's 88 Vet. Please note, we've cleaned around the master where it mates at the booster, but you can see where it has been leaking. I took a picture yesterday and it was a messy mess. You can see the trail. This car, you also notice spots on the frame there as well. It's definitely been leaking brake fluid down into the master, because when you drive it, pedal's spongy, and it honestly feels like when you stop, or like when you put new pads in a car, it feels like when you have to pump the pedal to get the pistons back out in the caliper. So, go straight to the floor. You can pump it up, get it to where you want it, and it's good for one stop. And then you stop and you take off it all, and as soon as you move, it's back to having to pump it back up. So the master cylinder is leaking into the booster, which is luckily, we have a vendor that has the booster, the master, and the check valve, all of it in stock, so we can get that coming fairly quickly. So that will be quoted out here in a moment and in your text thread, John.